Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Georgian here, bringing to you another makeup video. I've had these colors in my head. I said I wanted to put together and see how best a look can come out, to see what type of look it's gonna give me, bring out my ideas, bring out my thoughts, see what happens. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, become a part of the family, and if you like to see what I whip up, then please keep on watching.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got to be joking when I say.
Alright guys, so first we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna prime my lids and I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer in number 16. This is one of my favorite concealers to use right now to prime my lids, and it's also very nice with cutting the crease. It's very smooth and it's not too watery and it's not too thick either, so it's really nice to use. I figured that out in my my last makeup video that I did. When I used that to cut my crease, that's when I realized that yeah, I eat this. It did an excellent job and it was so easy to work with, and I think that was my best cut crease yet. You guys know I don't really love the whole cut crease thing. Once in a while I'll do it, but you want to make sure that there's no creasing, so you try to stay like looking down as much as possible just to prevent creasing from happening. Hey guys, so as I was saying, I've had this look in my head just like a little, it came about a little after I did my did that carnival look, so I said I'd come on here, recreate it, see what happens. It's currently 10:03 p.m. so I'm going in with my Zulu palette from Juvia's. I've been eyeing this color for a while, so I said I wanted to use it, so I'm gonna pack that on. And I start blending that out. Okay, so I realize I've been losing the color a little bit when I pat it on and blend it out, so I'm just gonna blend while packing on the color at the same time, just to build it up some more. Alright, so I'm going to use that same color and pack it onto the lid. I'm really loving this color, guys. I think I want to add a little bit of glitter, just a little bit. This Glamierre palette that I have is really convenient and it's not that messy, so it makes me more open to using glitter. So this is the palette. I'm thinking this one. Alright, so as you know, with this technique I just use my glitter adhesive. So I'm gonna dip into the glitter with the glue on my finger and then just place it on my lid. yeah. I think this is really pretty, guys. What do you think? Not bad. Can't go on. I'll still get some fallout, but it's still not as much as using loose glitter, you know. But it still just gives you that effect. You just have to know how to use this palette, because at first when I got it, I'm just like, what am I gonna do with this? I'm seeing the vision. You guys probably not really seeing it fully yet because the rest of the face to do, but I'm seeing the vision. So let's see if it's going to work. Mascara to my lashes. We can't have Barbie vibes without lashes. You guys know I'm not a lashes fan, but if the time come and it calls for, we gotta use the lashes. So I'm gonna apply some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm back and I prepped and prime. I prepped and prime with my Pond's. You guys know my Pond's moisturizer and my Fenty Beauty I think Georgian. My Fenty Beauty primer. My Fenty Beauty primer, and now I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I'm gonna try that one today. I think I've used this only once. My Estee Lauder foundation, that's in bronze. That's the color, bronze. And I can't say I don't give the Fenty Beauty a break. Big up me. She's looking good, not too bad. I'm gonna use my two Juvia's Place concealers. Alright, so the darker one on the bottom and the lighter one on top. Using that to even things out first, and then we're gonna highlight with number 16. Juvia's Place concealer, amazing, really love it. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty banana powder. Alright, so you guys can see I'm having some like skip powder is kind of skipping right here. But I'm gonna see if we can fix that later. Yeah, looking pretty powdery right now, but we're gonna balance that all out. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. You guys know I like to balance out with this between this one or my NC45. Sometimes even if the powder doesn't like seep in right away, and you're worried about your skin looking a little bit too powdery or whatever, that's when you go in with the setting spray and a decent amount, and then it usually just helps everything to melt much better into your skin, and I've learned that over time. 10:46 now, and all of this, and ask me where I'm going. Nowhere whatsoever. I'm not going anywhere. Just like, let me try to get some videos out for you guys, you know, given the times now, and you know, I am still going to work. I'm still working, because given the profession I'm in, I'm an essential worker, so I have to be going to work just the same. But the days that I have off and stuff, because I'm here and I was home today, I didn't go to work today, and I'm relaxing and everything, and I say I have this look in my head. I know it's kind of late, but I'm just like, let me just do it, and it's like on more than one occasions that I've been filming like late-ish hours, but I don't have work tomorrow either, so I'm like, I have time, could edit a video, possibly get it out, but in order to have something to edit you have to film something, so I'm just like, let me just do this look pretty quick, you know, talk to you guys a bit. I hope everyone is doing okay, doing well, given the times that we're living in now. Now I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? Contour. And as usual guys, all products that have been used today will be linked in the description box below. Let's get this nose in check, and I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in dark, the same one that I used to balance out my skin. I'm going to use some of my Jordana blush, 12 Redwood. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the eyes, and I want to use some pink. Yeah, I want to use some pink under here. I'm gonna go back into the Juvia's place, and I'm gonna pick up this pink right here. Alright, and I'm gonna go in and smoke that out again, just to smudge the liner a little bit. Alright, and for the lips, I think I just want to do some gloss. Actually, let me spray the face first, and then we'll go into the lips. Going in with my Morphe setting mist. I'm gonna use my Master Chrome. That's in my Master Chrome highlighter. That's the 150 Molten Peach. This is the one. Yeah. The top broke off, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put some of that in the tear duct. Okay guys, so I'm adding a different shade of pink. I'm going into the Festival palette and I'm going in with this pink just to intensify my lower lash line a little bit more. Yeah, you guys know this lip combo. It's my Wet n Wild pencil in fuchsia. I'm gonna line my lips with that and then add my Victoria's Secret lip gloss. You guys know I live for this lip combo, like definitely love it. So this is the final look. Yes honey, I even catch up my ear, like I put my hair in a little ponytail like Barbie, like what she does, you know. Yeah, you. I really like it. It's gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. I've been giving you guys a time update, so let me give you guys, it's now 11:13 p.m. 11:13 p.m. and I'm up filming for you guys, but when the inspiration comes, it comes and you just have to go along with it. And that's really what happened with me tonight, and here I am with you guys. I did this look and I'm feeling it. It's cute, it can go on. Yeah, like I said before, all products will be linked down below in my description box. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified about each and every upload that I do. Thank you guys so much for supporting me with whatever I do here on my channel. You guys know I appreciate it, and follow me on Instagram, guys, to keep up with me. Check out my previous videos as well. Love you guys so much. May God continue to bless you guys. See you in my next upload. Bye.